A sample of 250 grams of kryptonite, 713, decays to a size of 200 grams over 19 days. How much will be left after another 19 days? So what we can do here is start with our general exponential decay function, a times b to the x. This is an exponential decay, so we know b will be between 0 and 1, but that doesn't really matter. That's going to happen as we go through and plug in the values that we have. So we don't really have to worry about that detail right now. Our initial sample is 250 grams, so that's a. So already we know that we've got 250 times b to the x. We also know that over 19 days, we end up down at 200 grams. So we have 200 equals 250 times b to the 19. And now I have an equation that I can use to solve for b. So to get this, I'm going to divide both sides by 250. And I get 4/5. 200 divided by 250 is 4/5 equals b to the 19. Now to get b, I raise both sides to the 1 over 19. So 4/5 to the 1 over 19 is equal to b. So now I can take this and plug it back in to my model. And I have my model as y equals 250 times 4/5 to the 1 over 19. And then I raise that to the x. And to do that, I just multiply that exponent by x. So this becomes x over 19. Now to find how much will be left after another 19 days, we need to think about that in terms of when it initially started. So 19 days passes, and then after another 19 days, that's a total of 38 days. So now we're plugging 38 in for x. So 250 times 4/5 to the 38 over 19. Well, 38 over 19 is 2. So we're actually doing 250 times 4/5 squared. Okay, and now we can go ahead and plug this into the calculator, or we could do it by hand. It's actually not that bad, because this just means multiply by 4/5 twice. Multiplying by it once gives us 200, and multiplying it by another time is, 4/5 of 200 is 160. Of course, you can do that in your calculator. It's no problem doing that. And of course, we want to make sure that we're indicating our units, and we're here talking about grams. So this is grams.